Yours is to provide the landing surface, the crossbar, and then the stand poles. The voting poles themselves are equipment that the athletes normally bring because they want to compete with what they are comfortable with. The only thing is that the ITUs will certify it for them. The event generally went well. We had a few challenges at the start with power, to be able to power some of the equipment, but later all that was resolved. In the course of the competition also, we witnessed some athletes whose voting poles broke, but people thought that those voting poles were provided by Ghana. No, every athlete who took part in the pole vote came with their own voting poles. The voting poles provided by the LOC was not used, and it's a standard thing. Yours is to provide the landing surface, the crossbar, and then the stand poles. The voting poles themselves are equipment that the athletes normally bring because they want to compete with what they are comfortable with. The only thing is that the ITUs will certify it for them. The event generally went well. We had a few challenges at the start with power, to be able to power some of the equipment, but later all that was resolved. In the course of the competition also, we witnessed some athletes whose voting poles broke, but people thought that those voting poles were provided by Ghana. No, every athlete who took part in the pole vote came with their own voting poles. The voting poles provided by the LOC was not used, and it's a standard thing. Yours is to provide the landing surface, the crossbar, and then the stand poles. The voting poles themselves are equipment that the athletes normally bring because they want to compete with what they are comfortable with. The only thing is that the ITUs will certify it for them. The event generally went well. We had a few challenges at the start with power, to be able to power some of the equipment, but later all that was resolved. In the course of the competition also, we witnessed some athletes whose voting poles.
Where a match on Mbapa, so I'll leave for Mbapa. On the polls, no, bubu, yeah, no, Jim say the local organizing committee provided that one, but Obi Oba or decided so don't have the Nadia Beba. And to out the Diaba Nebudia, and there you cannot blame the LOC. But me, I'm interested in the finance side. A horn also open mommy. But notwithstanding that, another person also take it now. I bet shift attention from Ministry of Sports, Ade Akye Abia, Jata, Sam George, as he want to be called. Now, me minimum abena, our abena is not obia, or fool, or also so. Wabeye shege pempa or PAC yo. Wabeye she emra no so titable nsi se de Sam George titable ni so. Onu so abechire shege. Also abechire near things that time no ministry ono. But you see, Sam George todo bi onya abotre. Me I like him, but he todo bi asami nya abotre. When it comes to something that is a public accounts committee, it is not like you're on your campaign platform. No matter the relationship you have with Abenano, exhibiting. Anyone who understands the principles of accounting is not for the weak. It's not dope. And once it's even about the public, it's not about the chairperson and those your colleagues or Mutihono. And that is not where Obabeche say also one name is or a member of parliament. One name is Sam George or a member of parliament. Man for man fans that now wo bema massa. We want to know tie nyansa hanam peso tie nyansa. We want to know say as on mine and say wo honuma now network natiko. Honuma now onya challenges with MNOs. That's the mobile network operators, MTN, Telisa, and others. That is where we want to find out what is the improvement. And then that's what we wanted to know. And there is nothing wrong. See a baby as a question. And some judge said, so no, he has been one person now asking tough questions. Those times are not what they be Baso say. And conformity, Hoduma, a good dear Musa questions are irrelevant. And that time was time and ye chair some judge on. Because sometimes, Bisa question out him say relevant. And I tell you not any. Why better not the other side? And you think because you're a member of parliament, they don't have the right to ask relevant questions that Ghanaians want to hear. And Abra was so soft, say, baby, Abra that I know was pleading.
Paid to you over 8 years at the finance ministry.
That be a me say. Ministerial appointment, and as I'm George and anywhere in this move.
Make sure that we took steps to protect.
If so, to me, they can provide thousands of people that can do the same job.
A responsible government have done so.
Minister,
they can provide people who are capable of fixing those problems. And what's our Ministry of Communication?
Make my point. No, you won't.
Now, let's also better now. So better time. So America say,
"Yempe." Decision is making.
I were the same person. We're on the neck of Eslousu because you didn't say arrogance of power. How many Eslousu? Kasaba hat.
No, you have
some judge chastising Mami. I know what now. You see what was going on?
No, you would let me answer the question. You won't do that today.
All of us are not showed you. And then you are saying say you are also a member. And so what? You are even a minister. And so what? Before the committee which have been set up by law.
We have asked them to go.
Ultimately, John said then if it's your committee they should invite you. Are you for real?
Minister.
So and
this is our committee.
Radio and TV and see for sure. So I wanna spearhead paying power. And then back back I say, NCA friends I say you shouldn't call us because we cannot do that.
Minister,
respect. Say a bit back and people are sharing this behavior on.
Please.
A minister in public
we understand you are in an
behaving like this and you want us to
come here and we address issues.
And I know people will say some judge are yesterday yes now me born ambassador and make us say yes because it's becoming too much. Massa, we want to hear relevant and obviously other than your money flow where side ya na communicators ya na time so man flow when you are flowing and said you are not making sense or you are flowing that we want to understand what you are saying, that is where you bam obia or interrogate you obi and obia or interview obi no. Sometimes in the partner can sem a ho no cry un se ho ne kama ope so mejo ho enti o say busan biem say be obe repeat ama yenya ho ni ye. It doesn't necessarily mean say now say you can kwasi asem. But as our point now that you were making, the point was so important and relevant. Say, from where she's sitting, or when he said, "What's your repeating my Ghana for?" Who say, "This is what you are doing to salvage the situation." And at the point in time, now, to me say, "Ho kasa cham George and Kobeka says, Sami, calm down. Ho Sam, calm down." But don't share the behavior now. Me share the office or no be at me can answer. Tibam the only thing I will say. Oh, who's on fan and no calling and no uncle Bibin channel and answer on perano. But she's afraid. Sometimes you cannot let people be afraid of you. Say, no. When you are in public office, it's not your father's office. It's not your own company. And let's tell truth to power. More bootlekia kakram benyadinti. You don't want to listen to sense. Public office is not for individual. Etianra na samjoti so no busa question na me say irrelevant. Na no waba betena form no be so busa the relevant questioner. Because say my born abaso and rent me san ko born abaso. No. Public service enya by force o. so wontimi rubbish wontimi nonsense tena wo fie na gbe wadwuma ne what now say if you are being paid by taxpayer we have every right to question you. Say answer the person that asks you that question has the right to come in at any time or deeming it fit. What are you talking about? And people are sharing this on. They're saying, say, what? No one is untouchable. Not even John Dramani Mahama have said it. You are a minister, you are not God. You are a member of parliament, you are not God. Listen to that. At least you are being paid by the poor taxpayers. The people that you think they are poor. They are the same people who pays you. So what are you talking about? You should give us a break on that. Let's talk truth to power. As I deal with home, a bad precedent. And say yes, committing a bear white elephant. Committing a barbet now or since one to mean cat. Because now that some judge has had his way, no, Obia will say, "How hold on to Kanye, Kotonim." It will be about also better man attack you. A bad precedent. And I don't know the angle, Amon Shefri, Amon Babasa, and you want us all to jubilate or what? Masa, some judge Nipa sometimes he guess it's wrong, okay? Or sorry for you on I'm granting interview. Listen to wisdom, listen to what he said. So no, he's a hard nut to crack, yes, and you want to prove it more beyond so no, there's some judge they had. There is difference between arrogance, a case will be arrogance and you'll be or your hard nut, and also be or your strong. During some judge, ye interview no oba you know, minister near appointment committee interview no. That time it wasn't arrogance. Look at the thin line, no. That time wasn't arrogance. He has to show his capabilities and things that he have. But it was arrogance because the moment you tell your colleague say, "Meso me MP ni bio," what we dey na person ochire. Enti omo munye MP ndi omo ba omo nye nipa. Ade mwa. What are you talking about? We shouldn't entertain such, you know. I don't want to use certain words. We should entertain things like this. And then when we be Kragana down to me Kasaka says Wabobra. Where from that nonsense? Where from that nonsense? And you think that people that are serving us, we can't tell them the truth? What are you talking about? In as much as I've ever loved some judge, me say this time round for the first time, I'm saying something, you got it wrong. You have the right to calm down. Mama, many Musa the question, the follow-up question of person Musa or interrogative maning room. Oh yeah, speak wisdom. Because we all know, say, you had the facts. You had the facts. Otuono bi or be on say, Same Esuya, the some George Esuya, the also Suya Noba. Dear Bia, you knew what you were coming to say. Because you are intelligent guy, no one can take it from you. But the arrogance is taking the good part of you away. The arrogance is taking the good part of you. Because Esha and we were listening to wisdom, intelligence, good submission, and all of a sudden, no, sometimes every platform, how are you approaching? We don't approach every platform with the same style. You should know this. You're an intelligent guy, you should know this. Then you say, nipa ya dia, you beka no crash and yet to also so. Already as more can say, Omudisa, na mudisa ye from dia mudisa no be. Mudisa mukofia mukodisa. Not a placer, you best get tier wisdom, you best get tier solutions. Mate, mudisa mukofia no kodisa. You go beyond this in your fear. And ya ha ya semati na wiase nyina ehwa mu emenos enyoma ya pese yehu ana onya abotre ebe chechem se o the addictions are MTN for yeni the Vodafone for Telecel for yeni 1,000 plus and 500 or so plus for each telco so modeba But sign your market it took the beauty and intelligence of what you were doing. It took the shine away. Sadia no one yanaka day. Sa your man sa optics and what's the meaning of this? Answer. It wasn't necessary. I'm telling you. An opinion I like noses. Also bit mature there. I'll pay that. But exactly what happened. But let people have the privilege and opportunity to listen to their course one.
Is rolling out 350 new sites. Between those two companies, you see 1,150 new sites. However, that's why I said to you that this is engineering and not sentiment. When you ask an MNO to roll out a new site, there are steps that have to be taken. No, Honorable, I'm also a member of Parliament. Don't do this. Please, I am on the floor, Honorable.
I understand.
Let me make my point. No, you won't heckle. I won't sit here to justify anybody. But private businesses are about making profits. And those profits, they paid to you over 8 years at the finance ministry as corporate taxes. Policy decision and policy leadership ought to make sure that we took steps to protect the customer. And I'm saying that we, under this reset agenda and under a responsible government, have done so.
Minister,
no, Honorable, I'm also a member of Parliament. Don't do this.
Minister,
please, I am on the floor,
Minister,
Honorable.
I understand.
Let me make my point. No, you won't heckle me. Don't play sentiment. Chairman, until and unless policy decision is making, Honorable, you need to rein in the Honorable member. She's being unruly.
No,
you are being unruly, please. This is unbecoming of a member of Parliament. Please, stop doing this.
Listen, you don't have the floor.
No, I have the floor. No.
We beg you. Honorable, we beg you. Honorable, we beg you. Honorable, we go beyond this. Me and you, corset. It's like looking at the poster of Abdas Abna will be Honuma. Also say okoya Sammy Beck, Sam George Becker, Sam George you so him no. Home ni bunya fuwa ni home ni yaba or cast about tonobo. Tiase osuro. So Okoka say when you are the Ministry of Finance, you have 8 years of months abna no bafo. I say hey. The what you to a usually treasure. Radi da deja gopo. Say Sam George na te ho, ana mami we te from wa. Kebe different story altogether. Ada mama ne ye de o da na da mo sat man na abnate for mo show sound arrogance of power wo de o no what am no after when or interview no grant here my NTN
Honorable Akosi Konedu and Honorable Abina Osayasari, do they have to be worried about your relationship with these two or the committee?
Oh, come on. I mean, Konedu is a very good friend. Abina is a friend as well, and maybe that's part of the reason why our exchanges are very heated, because we do this in our regular conversations. But my point is very simple: the fact that we're friends does not negate from the fact that the work has to be done. I've sat on this committee for 8 years. I've been someone that has toughly questioned people, and I know that my colleagues are only returning the favor for what I did to MPP ministers, and so, but I'm a tough nut to crack, and so that's why I come prepared. The bottom line is, you can ask me any question, but you just need to give me the audience as well to respond, because if I'm responding and you don't allow me to respond, then it becomes a monologue. It's not a conversation, and people need to be able to get appreciation. Kwesi Konedu and Abina are very good friends, very, very good friends. And you saw after the program, the end of the session, the three of us huddling together and laughing. So the next time I come back again, I'll fire them. And I indicated it when, as soon as Chairman said Abina was going to ask the question, I said, why is it?
And shall say, oh, man, where Sam George say, Obusan question, also man Kwame answer, that is fantastic, that is intelligent. But no question say, because Anyasa ebe monologue. Na wo de yama nko kwan na wo kasa na ye ntimi nwam a enye monologue na bi ne be yama nko kwan na kasa without asking relevant questions. Is it not monologue that you are also the same thing you are preaching of? Enye the same thing happens here. And it didn't start with Abena, where every year say Abena didn't answer viral. Honorable Kwabena Kunedu, Sakwesi Kunedu is a Kwabena Kunedu. I've read in Yankopon. And you know so compare marriage and normal. And that's why it started. I'm the Abena didn't know. It has some just came with certain postures say. Only so no, why jumping into urban. O may imagine so Hana Jomun disgrace no. And decide ya also a shielded defense or also the other eba. And the our a dream bia a one team or de badada. And no matter what, also any defense mechanism no, or who strategically or punch you. Sabia won't mean answer question be and you get time to flow. Without interacting, or I will not even say interacting, say without coming in to ask relevant questions. And I know he got his way. Because we beg you for. Why me not pay matching?
Oh, anyway, Joso.
And point to say.
Chedi amponya kopon da Roma. Wabanya de chie ahoni ewum. Ti empomu ye ba cho na nso e.
Na me adom empomu ye pa.
Da chedi amponya kopon na se fie su boko de.
Fie boko benya. I hope so fie boko.
Oh yes. Pressure kakra na e build free fie baba. Na metiase.
Bibia be fine.
Na metiase. Bibia be fine. Na metiase. Aroba yi so ya na obade na se na fi ye na ya chief on so asia no pay say o ma jebre na fi wo mo ni ye edijuba no pay, and we appreciate their time be as wo mo tune to Sompa 93.1 na wo mo tie ensem akoso no mo gidi say asem no ba bi eda no ye de be kan sa ye me krokro no en na de no e be kan se de sitie na fi ye nyina so yesua de wo ho ti enchi o no pay na memfa nchi akese mfama Dennis for organizer kwesi baby awu bia mechirawo ame anya nti yes stella wudi achi wo social media honoma nti akwasi special good morning koma ye da wase pa se anopa yi so wa join ye na wutie awo honum Kwame o man yi mu baby ayedru no ne pafa ye nam no awase ye hwe ye ho yie na yade niam toto na kwemu. First of all, my Ministry of Sports and a hun sensama koso because and so we park meeting now sika manfu chia African Games a course so 23 million Ghana cedi the Ghana Police Service without any documentation, without any nkrata attached to it. And you ask yourself questions, say how sikana na gu form any SSC ye cha mu bi ansa kanadie enu ntini ya cha mana kwa kudru ho say Ghana Police Service for so munyi 23 million without any proper documents attached to it, without any proper way bi a fa so di tua kan ne ehunu say okay asimasi na ji say krata we ne tachire yetua ne date we ye ne say say ya hwe yi a ye bekoso adi oman ni sika nyafunyafu saa na ewie nso a ya saa akosere mrofu ya poma cho no madi atama kire yen de so musika kakra na omode be maye no ye mfa nkoye omekoso adi atem saa no makoso akire yen nyansa saa no mama ya ti ase sebe asi ye nim nyansa na ye nim de ye so mo na e ba be kire yen nyansa. At this time I wasn't penifo ni akandifo no adidi atama omoma mrofu yi die eso beti. There was a ramity as the president he cast the 78 million US seat sika womode emaya etikoye na ehayen na amwa kwan bi so at this time Africa was say ya buy ni koye health system na ya building ye Kwame same 78 million ya omutwa koye na amano we were able to raise 25 million cedis for vaccines that same year. And the following year, we were able to pay 22 million ahead of schedule for vaccines. How did we do that? because who say young konya sika from free baby ano we sat down and ye dwene ye and ye pay kwan ye befa so raise sika de akwakoye and ye tumi raise sika ye de akwakoye nti sika no awagana ha as former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo edi kan kai before so beba office no sika no yeti sika so enso ekom de ye we de yeti sika so nanso nipa kuma kakra bi ena sika no wo matena so no omodi nipa kuma kakra bi ena sika no wo ade adane wo fie ni wo majapade de no omodi and then I wish Zenka former sports minister nanko no so wo hobi nanko answer sa questions rather than having the current sports minister Kofi Adam say onuna etiho. It was that's what was going through my head say. Adentina nipa na yes spending no ntiho no nyi ensembia no na de wa ba take over no na oba be yin sema na oba be respond to questions are only any idea about it. Only any idea, any knowledge about it. I didn't know what's a basa. Now, or no, the baby din. We will not hold him accountable. We will not call him before the park in 24. Now, you miss no questions. How come you to me Chelsea 23 million Ghana cedis, Ghana Police Service without documentation? One more maintaining law and order. Law and order ye disika momo ya hu orderliness say ye juma ye disika momo ya hu say law in a form of documentation I exhibit and I exist I ye bit me follow for purposes of our China clarification be a yepe for purposes of our China answers be a yebemanti. Why are we doing this to ourselves as a country? And I said the amount for politicians here to me, more can say, Ghana, no, they say you, Ubian to me, Ghana, ye, and one more essay, no, Sana Etiana. Do one more say, sir? One more say, sir, because one who say, in fact, we ensure that any committed leaders they will hold people accountable to and near my be or my year and same fatter. Omo be so amanfo mu ne akase wo sika we fa wonsase wo sika we efa sei wo sika we ya hu ba bi ekoye brabe yi ano wo yi ano wie ne ehwe na anu yie no ento asumu anu yie no sebe nyansa animu a ne atwewo ne de wakwa kopie mra nim na mra no so ni wadi ye wie na sefata se ye de koto eye afiase a ne de wakwa akɔhye ho se wo se sika no so ya recover ejifiri won chen na wajapade a wo ye ton na ye dinya sika na ya faksa kwan no so agi sika na de ama oman bara kwan ye se obia be ye wi a de ebetia ne se beba bonten ye se auditor general de aba ye se park committee akawe ye se na ya somua na twe ne aka ho nsamua na akoda din ye nti na ye nhunu se ya twe obi aso ye nti na ye nhunu se ya gisika bi de afiri obi ho a ebe ye nsen na ho e de ama foforo se o mine sika no se wudi na wa ni ni yi o mine sika no se wudi di juma bi no wamfa ni juma na wo ka se wudi kodi o mine sika no se wudi ko hye biribi mu na ade na ade ko hye na eso manfa so ma o mine na o kina bi ye betwe o kina bi ye bebisa o kina bi wo anu yi ade ma o mine no enunti wo mo be careful, but that is not happening. Yes, before. I park from before after all of this. Menim se mramo mo ho kwan se wo mo proceed to anamon bi nan kofo mo didi sika bi ya twe omo e de amama emranimfo na emranimfo so de omo akogina emra nanim na fei ya pe kwan bi so agi sika kebe boayen, because baby ya drew as for mine a whole lot ni here a basic, a whole lot ni here eye nneoma nkete enso yentumi nye na saa nneema no nso edit memfonya na saa nneema no nso etwe timemfo na timemfo kakra omanya no nso no de bia na etwe de ko because of the basic and new marketing kitibia. I was say yenya nanso yenya ya kwan na atete apansami ye schools asem nso na aye basai ye hospital ho nsensem nso na aye basai ye nsase na say o chine bi mframa ye be home nso is at stake ya ye hunu de ebeye almost everything ukopie mu obebia ye di ya wo ho ukopie mu obebia ye tosini wo ho ukopie mu all the sectors and niema enkoye ensiye emfama yen but sikano nso hwia na ehwiegu sikano nso dia na manfo edi it's not fine why as of mine we should wake up, we should call these people to order na fi yempe anuye ne ntiase bi emfama ye man no na sei pa de se to aso sei pa de emwaye yakase ye kɔ ne sei se de sitie pa de a emwaye yenkodu ba bia na yenya mfaso bia nso mfiri so asoban. It is high time se wasi ye to ye nioma ye ye de nioma nso etu ye na enioma na ye pe from the investment we are making today no ebetumi anya a positive results e dey free ho na etumi aboy enya sa pa de a the path we are charting today no enfa yenkosiaga the path we are charting today no enfa yenkopie baby papa bia na Kwame o ta take it to be on IMF Hong Kong mo ya womo ene womo ekoyi but still omo oversight responsibility be they are still there and they are still around to closely monitor your niema hodwa ye Kwame me plea back up and there's a aban ebrason say or making sure say ye here ye benya that aggressive physical consolidation measures are ye de be gu akwemu na eniema atutu yi na ya reduce public spending area free na ya implementing reforms be emu at restoring your macroeconomic stability because ya nyene sa. How many times have we been to IMF? 17 good times. Why entia see free IMF the omobaya within the space of that 3 years ye to me achieve ye no so omokwa ye ntumi nsua bibia mfam free wo mo ho na omo be free ye nchen akono na niema giagu na niema tetia pansam na niema sei aprokra is it because ye nsua de and is it because ye sua ye ntiase and is it because ye abibifo no ye hia se tambia na abada ye nchen tambia ye hia se na obi gina ye kon no tia yen no tia yen no de abane boye tirimu ansana sebisebio ya dwene no aye adwuma na ana send isitie because I can't understand why obeko IMF betchero say ye we na 3 years na wo hye ne nsem no obeye bibia kama sa fiscal discipline wo ho ne nasefo ni nyina wudi mraso o free mu policy rate ba from ye CD to dollar depreciation so ten eko na ye ne ayede ya adwen ye adwuma na ye ne ayede ye sike ye adwuma na ye ne ye de policy se gu akwan mu ubehu na agye agu ede na ye be hye anoma be na ya obetete sa link na between what we've learned from IMF na ema ye bibia ko ye na anoma be na ya obeti free mu a enti ubehu say sia na atete apansam na aginsam no ede a because I can't understand because this is the time we need the government effort ibeboa na wa accelerated sustainable development at the more minor. This is the time where you hear a buyer say the policies ne nioma bi odi beba akwemu no odi begu akwemu no ebe create jobs the amati memofo. This is the time where you hear a buyer say the nioma hodo odi begu akwemu bia be raise the standard living of Ghanaians. I was here who say timemuni no the standard of living no emu apeja emu ago na entiase nso wom Because at the end of the day, say ahokyere ne ba ne ba beto o man no so say kima Kwame etimemufo ene ye ba bebre. Because enya yes the aban will begin to introduce new taxes or the taxes ahodo and the beba abonten sebe ya obenya sika nso a obetumi edi take care of enema wo emema nti ebasa na timemufo no na pressure no eba begu ne so nti say yes ye introduce pressure the ma mo produce we at the end of it no the final consumer no and eba bear the cost of it. Yes rabai me the ene say ane IMF da so wo ho obe monitor niema yensua bibi mfam firim yen take advantage of it yensua bibi mfam firim because a school kura no wakọ 3 years Kwame Nkwantabisa this time we are wo ba na waba be implemented the okosua wo school mo no manu nkonko ye say ye kokoji certificate ni keke but say a bad practical enye adwuma manu nkonko ye te say ye Ghana ye schools na kwakoya obi be wie university ekuta certificate ekuta masters ekuta doctorate ekuta niema hodo but adwuma no say backgrounds are own to me Kamia said that is the reflection of what we are getting. Say, yabeko IMF voho, akwa kosua niema firimu abani ehunu say yakwa IMF voaba. But practically, there was a ye dey go from na economy no etumi jira ne nan so no. Ye etumi nye. Tina say yakko school no kwa. Ye ba ye no there was a ye dey ba be di djuma no. Ye etumi fa ni djuma. Ndina ekire say ye ko school na te say ye ne IMF vote no ye ko school na ase ye tu apo na ye je adwenkyire de afri ye yonko no honti no obo say ye test na ne ye pass ye exams na ne ye pass na ya wofo anije say oh ko school no ya de o hwe ne results onya A onya B onya distinction sa school mo ho de ye nya o but ye be wie na ye be ba implement de ye sua no. Yes, your theory na wie no ye ba be implemented ni aye na practical no ni ebre sa na akwakoye ye kodan IMF for ni e wo mo hode a oh eye economy ni take shape economy ni to say but ye wie IMF a ya ba no to say ye wie suku a ya ba no e wo say de ye sua ni measures no mu di be gu kwa mu tama no mo ho eniema eye kama no afei ye nso ye toaso ni e di djuma ni e matimemufo ye ma wiase na yema IMF for yema lecturers no mo kire yade no behunu se de be sua firi wo mo ho no ye di djuma no satan na ho ne ba be feli. This shouldn't continue again. The managers of the economy should prove to us say indeed homo sua de indeed the losses na ya incur from the past and the previous governments ahodo administrations ahodo etwamu from 1992 sabe pemone no womo asua bribi de afrim because the past always give us experience and when we reflect on the past no so and so na boa ye ni ehu ye nim baby ayekọ na yetumi aguide ye hu yi na yetumi atutu anamo a ye pe ni anamo a esefata. It cannot always be the rhetoric say IMF beba kono na ya titi apansam. And to the President of the Republic, said the last time, okay, no, me, I will continue to hold you. Say, you want to build Ghana to a point, the next president be take you over, no, cannot take us back, no. Let us feel and see it now. Say, IMF, echo. Homegrown policies are mudi go akwemono. A yield, a fruitful. China. It take you 40-year plan, development plan, and a demo. And ne, you can world economy, China China can home. Argentina, young quantity, it to me my years, but yen to me achieve. Is it because your policies now, your banner, yana, and your continuous ana? Policies are you implementing and your continuous demand a buying for baby this one. And now say ya bad ya the policies are a bit favor yen say about winning elections and your policies are any meaningful and your policies are your twice or any ye and nuntina MPP beba no ababe ye no ajano ho na ye sini na NDC aba o me twice no so ababe pija bibi ho no ajane sini sa. I think say a beginning say the policies are the interest of the nation at large first than the party. Dan ye colors na ye belong to a come sure say MPP bo beto NDC dey no so NDC so ba beto MPP dey no so. We cannot continue to waste Ghana ye sika na sa because would sika wura bibi mu ahase no e your mind sika eni wo kwan say ke gya ne nwuram eni wo kwan say ke gya ne kwa mu eni wo kwan say ye ma no yes ada kwa akoye say sika no ne akwa akoto agu aso nim fa so. We beg. At least we must have a sign of continuous policy ni project. Say abai we etwaso na a give way, na a give light to the next administration of Bebia say. Nasa, we cannot continue on that path. And what's here choose path? Yeah, the building of mine. Baby, I agree. A 24-hour economy. The agri-business now minus what they ban. It should be their priority. It should be what they are focusing on. It should be kwaya womobe faswa. Ombe ye niema say even the next government, the next administration be a bar will be compelled by the good policies odi aguna kuemu. No wababe twaso. Nenkonko yes obabe jano ho no akwa fafofro atwaso. Let's do that and let's build a country we all want. Let's do that and let's build a country we all will feel proud of. Kwame Medase. All
right, Medase, thank you. So 37 minutes past the hour. 27, sorry, minutes past the hour. 8 and still yawa hanum na anope yeguswa yesum. As also of it will be of interest to you, sir. Now make us about parliamentarians in conduct. Sometimes ya amende standing orders in parliament. Meaning say ya na parliamentarians no motion ya because the standing orders are ya amende because of happenings a course so a drew baby crowd which is untold. We had military to enter parliament and we have parliamentarians omu ballot papers. We had parliamentarians omu peja nkwenya any tables ebubu bia ebesi na ya ante ho hwe ejida bia bosam say is it about the people, is it about the laws, is it about enforcement? And he say amending them fashion a banner yombeya numbeya. What's the essence? And some made also speaker Shesan Yomeyi and Sana Speaker Babin did a Juma baby. Yeah, he has to leave a legacy. Because one of the longest standing person why you parliament Aceh, Namia Shano minority leader, majority leader, and then Speaker of Parliament. What a blessing. And I think to him much is given, much is expected. So Minister Kwoina will admit he is also a member of Parliament. And the standing orders what happened, no? Minister, I can't say Speaker, this is a right timer. I think says some disciplinary measures should be taking place. A best as deterrent to other parliamentarians and how they behave themselves in public. Tagwa about Mr. No paying capsules na make for Bema when you erectile misfunction. Omema semno etimi ekoye maw. Dine ya yo. Edu ya tagwa about Mr. Anope wodi ekope bi na sha ase bobo. Sa enso na ya Bema na watinka sem wo form meche wo low libido. Onya tagwa about Mr. oyo ba so da wa think of form unya tago herbal mixture tago capsules infections ahodo how watia na wuti afi wutwia na wutwi mu yo ya adwonso ne ade be show unya tago herbal mixture anope tietietia 0243 228 296 0243 228 drugstore herbal shop any chemical shop bi anope ubenya bi enso so ato honum 21st clinic a clinic on its own a full clinic a yade bia ye ka se clinica and say uduru ho anwumo mu ye no nya ba akopɛ na 21st clinic the entire amanfo bia ho ka sciatica say because ye dey sciatica expert the Ghana for the amonone for one on sciatica ebe problem da wo so anya me adom yenim di for yen doctors ne nurses ne physiotherapists ne lab technicians ne what biochemist for ni eka ho buama yesa o yade ni nyina anom si no 21st moye clinic de but moye sciatica expert I don't think you're afraid the sciatica expert and you see ya say you see ya chiptwen wa abesu na ase a yade a your friend sciatica anope bomodin anabra 21st clinic na doctors and diagnose you yenhwehwem say indeed sciatica na sciatica de wo mu ne de chepan say yade kase bi firi ba bi ba enti hweniye na wanhwe yada edi akwakoyew enti sciatica expert 21st clinic anope bowura mu over 15 branches all over Ghana. Hey, over 21st clinic yeah lab service no scan the was ye twa wo hwa nye twa kwanum kobra fa chira adu mam na ototo bode ne nchen ho da bi yeah lab service ni nyina twa massage papa bi afidie wo hwa was ye de afidie ne eka wa ye de be kan ho de ni si ye de kan so ye nim de be ye ti anope bomodin a nane 21st clinic the sciatica expert edinsa was so now sciatica enko kuma se we overseas junction yene alpha radio ne ben so Sompa TV Super FM was show ana ye wo from edan krom aprosan krom a obo ase your council quarters called junction Accra ye wo Tantra Hill Sunyane teaching hospital yani omu ne dia nhwe first gate wa enkransa mumra ye tim hotape tachiman ya wo GN Bank dan danim obehuen 0249311311 0249311311 0540311311 aya 21st clinic the sciatica expert anopa season na adru so na aya season baya eye mra ye dua ye mfudie enti no kwasem ewom ne se odua atoso de nyadoa moko ntos ne de keka ho vegetables dia unya OCP fertilizer na OCP fertilizer ne de wa onim se efritetide de ho adanse abesi ne ye de ngwase na OCP fertilizer no mo amodua atoso de no vegetables unya OCP 15 so na bi ni odon ma OCP 10-20-10 ni na ye the same work a formula ni yakichem according to the MPK level etu here fertilizer dia OCP fertilizer na mo modua legumes ni so besramo mo nso mo dia ne OCP TSP fertilizer shop bia agrochemical shop bia ko de ko pepper preku OCP fertilizer for 0555 90 9437 0555 90 9437 and 0555 90 9433 anopay OCP fertilizer Ghana ntoni ni ntwa so ubenya bi ato Roman father na drone father Martin's herbal mixture Father Martins aton boy research ahwehwɛ mu ahunua nubrane root no ne enua hini de keka bo ma beboa na yanya ne kwa we obo ade ankasa ne dead che yewie ne yanhwehwɛ mu ede lab ne ade keka ho ne hu se dro na fe de adin hini enti efritete ye sharps yes ton Roman father dro no adanse e banyina positive Father Martin say ba Mr. Ohonam yo tititi stroke ana achewo ohonam eyo ya ohonam tutu why mmere pressure diabetes ana how yade a aya kwankra we say yade we de kwanko we chronic o de manyankopon kwan akwan be na ama no nom Roman father na dro no na hwe se de adwama ebesiaye the best medicine for all sickness. Your drugstore BM, pharmacy shop BM, herbal shop BM. 0247-919-122 0247-919-122 and 0552-668517 0552-668517. Arapa RSYD Novigi Studios, the best professional studio na make come for moi. Ya on cram and crying. Malama Biase, first Kokoko Street. Na the woman said Ghana have a Biafra beba be adwuma. And two movie. Ope creative director. Ope camera handlers. Omo twa professional video. Try your mouth him say state of the art equipment. He said obe lighting reflectors near the idea studio. Your modern studio. O movie ni ade nyina ba ye be assist to amoye nyom na wo bo kra da be so twa ho video ye be boa RSYD Novigi Studio Ghana ha ba bia ye chini ko me so podcast so ya anniversary na podcast na person ya na person streaming na enso ye beba 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030 397 4822 030 397 4822 anope RSYD Novidi Studios ana ye kamfo ede amount prekope abejafo atena se yeni nkomo anope yewra Frank Frederick Dankwa anope oginam diama the New Patriotic Party MPP Sansona Comrade Umar Harris and so a youth activist Sansono Jamama the National Democratic Congress NDC anope ewo ha na era Dankwa anope ma chen
Yabru Nkwantabisa minia
empomboko de
awrade nyankopon egusu hyirame adom nti se enye kura obi ani breme migidi se wonso ho ye pa
me ho ye pa
nyankopon asem ho ye
dodidi mo bidie wo ho
ya benchwer bo an ho bu atuduro asase so nyame ketewa dodidi ma mi bidie Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe asanteman napo nyame adom wo na ho so dene se bongres koba no esi nyankopon adom ya san tun safre no London se omra na omema lectures kakra ho
oh fine
make asanche nkrofo say onu he is into leadership
training
money ade and minim die no ni nyansa nyam so di amano na bobbe and then when you give it does it yes the whole world baby adan so free Harvard by the America memo on say Chief Justice munyina kusua de on ne asepen
oh beautiful
Julius Dabra Akando Health Minister Pablo NDC for National Youth Organizer omunyina kusua nimdie ni nyansa free no ho so mo so pese wo mo babe take leadership role e wo mai
okay
enti no no gide mapase Dr. Baomi abesan bonidin onu na odi adwuma na oye wono se ade ayo sa na free no I say he was the only education minister in the political history of this country as far as I am concerned and obey education minister no single institution a call strike enti no odi adwuma na otumiye enti Dr. Matopokro mpano team na no pemichia papa na menchia chairman mo no che ona mu nkomo ba oni obia mumuhye chairman de no ho kwaku apia asanteman ku kase ne adodo na afre no na mencha na papa mencha ne team ni nyina na ono so de contest on shroma na metete se nkrofo bi mu fi se chawade no kwakwa pia no oye neba kwakwa pia onye neba kwakwa pia wa cherry system nim obi a watime di chairman for 20 years organizer for 16 years I am the chairman of the chairman 47 constituencies in Ashanti region why financial secretary of the party asum party in Krabatan bebrebe enti chairman de no kwakwa pia de obeba bia na omo boni LP omre chop money na obi wa di constituency ba kuja no antimi anyemu adwuma yema opposition a wantimi ma party no ne kwakwa pia ma ensuo na dwo ma odona san baba ka sofo pe imam fo pe boys ni girls pe penifo hodo nyina security guys aye mu nyina bu ya party ho omu nyina san baba ama niema ekoyi nti nkofo si enya o fa twop mu ni mre
meda say comrade Harris ne pom te say
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala da hormanti yahoye da Allah grateful and I said the aminu ya started the any my fancy and to aso preko sa my main fancy I kind farm baby our brand na is Coca-Cola we ya den ya gina ho brand Bella Cola be ba wan ba o de original zero ya gina no and you know most of me buy ya na me pese me hu and so then na odi aba but they be very splendid keep it up now my main chair so as constituency me member of parliament honorable Muntaka Mubarak honorable Muntaka Mubarak What start you? Yeah, my point. Calling the spade and not taking into is good. I say we take pride in saying the negative, but when the positive is so glaring, to say it me acknowledge it. So what I say. I take it. But the more be the Honorable Muntaka Mubarak, member of parliament, and then Minister of Interior will double up as Minister in charge of national security. Nemodimba Obona, Mincha, the protocol officer Alhaji Mustafa Ayarga, one currently vice chairman for Aswasi constituency. Wabon Homodia, Nahubrasi, and Nahufama, watch the Honorable Muntaka ne Mpeswa phone. It is saying now we are rooting saying Uncle Mobea, the mobile put Motino Honawako. Akosum as the national chairman, constituency chairman, Syria Beya, Nioma Oyeno, or because why no more. And upon Mamincha Ukumkom, Umwabieja, Ne Jumapa, Woody, Edebois, the people of Umwabieja. Now Ukumkom dear, honorable wisdom of Sebuama. When the idea and can we say the reshuffle, dear, eminent, no. The Yashan say Abia Yankupon Yadum no Babe reshuffle. Omunin free Sadum Wimu, Omufanum Quadum, because the competencies. Top notch. Na mi wieno ma menchia mi ankasa obebunu bia. Once one of the things I miss from politician, both His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne Ora former president His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo determination. President Akufo-Addo started so all pep coin abidi Ghana for so no. Onyanku go bebre but amanabemwambu. He continued and continued. I say one of the programs I catch a high school phone and say, "Omo catch me say me tietia." Omo can say me na and so and then I'm the president. It was so inspiring. Yeah. So also na branti bi a wo asantema mu ha. Your friend no comrade Richmond Osei. Adodo na friend ostrich. I say mre bia etwa mu na ho fama ni the way I was say boa party what the sika what the na hoden. So oba the demographic of Ashanti regional politics are branti no. Utuana mu ena wonim asantema yankasa ena asantema so nim no o aveli no say na nka ope I mean youth organizer but fofi anto ata wo ye de obetimi aye bia no etu ahenefo na esi ahenefo ka so won twen but wo twen wonya abotre ne buamfu wasa koto aso aye party adwuma etoto ni amama nyankopon ya adom ma ye wini power ya bayi de wo se wo sabe aveli no ho na wabesre etu ahenefo na esi ahenefo se edru emra ye ba be yi empinifo e wa region mu a yewura Richmond Osei adodo na friend ostrich no obe contest as the Ashanti regional organizer ena yesu ye hwe a wabone ho modern yesu ye hwe a we bebunu yesu ye hwe a we nipa ni trimu ye na adwemu ye wo ahobrase ena adwuma no betimi aye enti no currently no communicators a omo Ashanti region bebre na erutifo obi a o kɔ ne nkyɛn a obebre omre obi a o wa ahobrase a obetie obi a wo frɛ na obefa enti no yewura Osei Richmond ye obi a say nimre aso the time na den aso nti won so omra na menchia ahwefo ne atifo nyina
me da se ya nko no so na yeni kan hwe enra the common shase na Felix Ofosuku ache abeka se anyone say assistance now Ghana Bar Association enyan kan hwe emfa Honorable Afenyo Marcus minority leader then comments being in statement be or the betudwa nanum ya efa the arrest of Chama Bronye and other MPP party supporters ekoso I think say all can names say GBA for so ya ahomboa GBA for so aba bontia we ka say it was in a stream Mr. Dankwa mon party no should we say for now no ye di see admo atwa man for say in SXs so share the comment free a whole minority leader who is also a lawyer at the same time. You refresh your mind kakrebi on exactly what he said. Now, for remember also.
Informed immediately in a language he understands. To constitution requires that no person shall be deprived of his personal liberty except as permitted by law, and that every arrested person shall be informed immediately in a language he understands of the reasons of his arrest. The Constitution therefore puts before the Ghana Police Service, the Bureau of National Investigation, as well as that Circuit Court 9, which was supposed to be presided over by a judge who has taken a judicial oath, a clear and unambiguous notice of the civil liberties provided for by the Constitution. These are rights guaranteed, far rights. The production of a signed and certified remand order is not a technicality. It is a constitutional imperative. Its absence, if confirmed, would rather render this detention not merely improper but unlawful. What we are witnessing is either a crass dereliction of duty or a raw and deliberate exercise of power designed to show a political opponent where the power lies, with due process and afterthought. So the NDC party functionaries who are encouraging this, you should know that your 4 years is now left with some 2.5 years.
Yeah, man.
Your time will come.
Yeah.
Man. Those judges should know that President Mohammed's tenure will soon come to an end.
Inshallah.
They should know this. That God willing, 2028 with Dr. Bawumia's Indeed, we are reminding them that neither explanation is acceptable in a.
My question, Mr. Dankwa.
And that made our CBU. And I pay the good people of Utafo constituency if you know. Tinana no matter konyo nshranka wono party no mumpenim for constituency executives, council affairs patrons, electoral area coordinators, polling station executives ni nyina no me chairman na no pay na me mo so congratulations so na stakeholders omo kasa wa party no Utafo nyina no so mo so nyina no enchia nkoma wono mo nyina no pay Nkwanta de ura Afenyo Markins ekaye no me as MPP ni any Ghana ni mapa menene ya adwene papa menene ya adwene 2000%.
Baby o say on bu judge ni nyina on ni adwene.
Yes, on case judges nyina
particular judge.
One particular judge. And the reason being that NDC 4 ya DB says yon person mo kan obi akasa bo ahye ne yam e wo mai mu nti se obi kire na adwene ana obi ka asem kakra bi a yese hwe edemdika yakwa akɔkye no o ka sembia yesi hwe ya ba becho na Nkwanta enye wonwanwa se na nado danko akufo ado aban eti akonwa so Ramahama describing say we autocratic. He is against freedom of speech. Ntina all kasa asem echi na enim senka onya the second chance so oba be correcting the mistakes no anka o ma be abuse power sa
onjo abuse power
absolutely oba ka wan kasa colleague journalist some saladi aye nene news file o se Akufo Addo mfie nwotwe obedi akonwa so no ane se obi aka bibia tia o mampanin bi ana se minister bi ana obi ne na court se ofa Akufo Addo de mfie nwotwe no a de mahama aban ya ba a wode afe abosumi numa ye no etwa ne nyina agu Kwanta. It is so strange to say ye work courts ahodo ye work circuit courts, ye work district courts, ye work appeals courts, ye work high courts, almost all the regions in this country. Ye work security apparatus so all the districts and district and regions no. Yet then and say ye kase ubi aka bibi na se enko ya ye koma no so free nkran ede ne ko koma no so free sa region no ede ne konkran na ye de ne konkran ya one particular court in Adenta circuit court they call it court 9 hona ye de the court on court MPP members nyina ko na udruwa judge no even when the prosecutor has not even filed say you remand this anypa no then the judge has the effrontery to remand those people and Ghana ye hu ama say si ade ye say obi ka say dun so abane de mahama kra picture to ho a ni abefa say anypa no ye de no court ni akwa remand o impo ohini bi onu atuma bi na no did the former president Akufo Addo atem did the former vice president the MPP's flag bearer Dr. Bawumia atem na an individual affiliated to the MPP I responded to that person ye chino e de ne ko the same court akoka na asem adan na koso man it is ade bia a well planned, thought out by the NDC. Say they want to shut everybody up, but we are telling them as a political party MPP, we are never afraid of anybody in this country. The party doesn't belong to anybody. The party belongs to all of us. Na seni omono MPP are buying President Akufo and Akufo Addo madawroma. Criminal libel law every ho. Ama omutumi nya kwan akeka nsem ompeso omuka. Edi atemu okrom ha. Bubon krofo din kan sama kese na yanchi wo man tumu no they have no right and they have no moral right to do what they are doing currently, especially when Oramahama Sigana for man kwan na omasa meye receipt na omeye correcting the mistakes or yan in the previous you know what did I make an say enti meneno ya adwene sa particular judge no ekwan offer so a odi ni dwuma wo man mu no e ma ne remfi and to choose Sami Jamfi's words his term of office is coterminous with that of Ora John Dramani Mahama as the president and the security agencies no mo so abizu omo no eniema wo mo ye ni kroma time wotwani abecho na ye chew kra no a se ebi kra no a waka sem ye chew a na ye de wakwa akwohye card mumununtu bi mu ti said ye we the most criminal the hardcore criminal in this country na ye wi ani asando ko one particular court why na do dan Akufo Addo kra ofra konya o jagana court dan mako oha any adwon 120 new courts.
What if officer institution arrest no proximity ti ebia ho na bo mu a
na boom enti eno no clearly o ma hu sa akwa ne NDC ni judge ampa se ne owura fanyama kan na eka no
oh but e bia distance ne
enti enkwanta very simple ye be chi baba mando free bono sunyane ani high court ho yeni circuit court osunya no ho ba bia yeni appeals court anase yeni district court ho ba bia na wo man so free ha de ne concrete na de ne kwa denta wo ma Kwame Abronya so free bunu a wo man so na de ne concrete na de ne kwa denta wo ma esando so a na de ne kwa denta wo ma obia so na de ne kwa denta. That is where we have the problem. What about the other courts? What is happening? What is happening to the other court? And unnecessary arrest. Utwani abechew ye chewa na ya sade bail conditions are ebru nyankopon ni kosua eso nya dia to so sa judge no offense ni tirim se ni mi afenyoma keseka enya dia ye nyankopon ya dum inshallah 2028 ya we ne power sa judge no be koso atene hoye na djuma obekofie function tirim enti de obeye bia no and all the opportunity to do whatever he wants to do onyire ne ho no nya na kesia na ono so ni brebedru. Very very simple. Very simple. Adan semokra moti abonten obi ka bibia na ase akufu adokra akọbọ ho nwa kra no a wo se ya kan sen oye tintintinti omo ompre kabi ma minka bia amamu so ene sane manema no enti nkamo ba na nkebia nkamba bibi different enti no sa security agencies no a emrante bi hihye mu omo de omo fi so omo na omo aban na aba enti ya be chew na in fact ya sa abuse eni say yoko boss Raymond Acha no nyama won mu ye nyina no they should understand so in fact their term of office is coterminous to that of President Mahama.
Okay.
And you know, Afenyoma can say Nkwantani nyamenye adwuma.
Menase. So Afenyoma can still stands on Ninsem Trato ni page and page. It is both ethical and within my constitutional right to call out a judge who has no respect for the law and the right of citizens. There is a pattern in the conduct of the Circuit Court 9, judge in political cases that go before him. I cannot in good conscience respect a judge who has no respect for the law. The minority caucus in parliament will not shut its eyes to the conduct of this judge. A series of action will be taken in parliament and the appropriate constitutional steps will be taken to rebuke him. Our laws are not above the law. Questioning the excesses of a judge pattern of conduct does not amount to an attack on his person. The Chief Justice must keep an eye on the Circuit Court 9 judge and prevail upon him to uphold the ethos of his judicial robe and wig. We after Ghana bar for I'm told say Papa ne kan was na no paya was a target Ghana bar for na do we are told so kwacho fellows of kwache blaming the GBA came out. Afenyo Markets are about because he still stands and is within his right to say whatever he said.
Na emi say miniano the party asuma ne se ombeya no nti no party djuma de wa ye but then me de make kanokre sometimes
turn one kanokre
I will say sometimes I will say beyond the politics they say na no ya Kwesi Pratt eba bonting ebe kan sema say people in government our government appointees it seems they are focused on their personal interest rather than helping the president to succeed to deliver on his key mandate. I agreed with it. I sat on a platform and I agreed. I said yes, it's true. We need to get it right because obi our dog no eno hwe nim e kan okrekyerem. Sometimes accepting the bitter truth inures to your own benefit. Bible no can say he who hates rebuke is a fool. Mekai Mustafa Hamid emra no mu opposition no o ka se o ye aban na onya o mo mbetimi ahwe wanim aka no kra chewa you are doomed. And you know some of these commentaries we take them seriously and nothing His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abra Ghana for edisa abenya we som no awasa ba biom no o ka no open say unwo so wo bokwan na chia criticize him so that he sees it and he corrects it. Afenyo Markins ya ye no ho se Ghana ye ne dia. Afenyo Markins suban ne the way a wo ye no. It's an indictment on parliament and it's an indictment on even the Ghana Bar Association and even law practicing as a whole. Yes, you are a lawyer, a senior lawyer. Beyond that, we are a member of parliament. Again, we are hene. Beyond that, you are even the leader of the micro minority in parliament. So your behavior and your conduct, your public utterances should differ from the ordinary people you are leading. Show leadership in maturity. But I can't be a Afenyo Markins no shemfa no ho. And now I can't assemble Akubia no akobo baumia. Why? Because he knows that his seat as the minority leader no, it's been threatened because they feel like his leadership style is rather making the party look bad in the eyes of Ghanaians. How many times have Afenyo Markins I can't sema enim nsema eya kohwie was sorry on the floor of parliament as a patch. Leaders are banko. Leaders are both minority and majority. No, why not a patch watching Afenyo Markins for peddling falsehood and untruth? And the MS or no and fun and the MP for then or Mokano Kroma. Look, you're best read to me on the back of correcting the wrongs of yesterday. And you know, say Yabana Wujin say you have a problem with correcting the wrongs of yesterday, then it should be your problem. But I believe the people of Ghana who voted us to come and turn the fortunes of this country are very much happy about the way the governance of this country is going. I believe they are very happy. Now be a lawyer ni. Now ultimately say a single out a judge a dinner temka so enti Sami Harris shia law. Minye penny eko kambia na nsonso ya ewo me Afenyo Markins ntem ne anything. Enti Afenyo Markins pa ka kire Ghana for say sa bronya betena se e di lawyer for atem e di judge for atem e di court atem is normal and we should normalize it. Okay, Bobi ansane your friend saying Buama omahine Buama ade omahine Buama kan ya ne say say your Supreme Court no akoye unanimous FC because assembly baba bia no unanimous no me aba yan prosecute no yan che no. Now why na president as at that time Afenyo Markins ba bonten be kasa say e bia your democracy na yetutu na se na will be creating a culture of silence. And you omo pache say ni ekoso a amanfo ye nyoma ensem fata ye try say be sanitizer system no enya na Ghana Bar Association na Afenyo Markins enya me wawa because one say Ghana Bar Associations no one man can identify their image long time ago. Okay, emra ye kan former justice tukono asemi Ghana Bar Association, that was the time because they came with two contradictory statements. First statement, the president ayeno entia Ghana emrebia entino omo caution even the general public say yan share your public discourse no say dia be ya contempt enko den enko ba nsem no yeah Ade Akye ya Jogate yere as had a different statement aba e question the authority why the president did what he did. You understand? You understand? So Ghana Bar Association has proven to be a wing or they are in bed with the MPP. Because Mekai somewhere in 2008 September 30th your judge bia during the trial of lawyer Chachuchi Kata or make a comment say Chachuchi Kata was treated unfairly. And Ghana Bar Association rose say Ade Papa na bastardize it. He didn't consult the judges before making that statement on radio. Omo force Papa na etu Papa ni freeze. No na omo president. Omo pamo Papa ni free. Omo president as president of Ghana Bar Association. Just by saying Chachuchi Kata was treated unfairly. Ghana Bar Association ensure say omo yini free omo so as president. On record 2008 na sa asem we see. Edenaba. Enti diabronye eye no di judge na atem no Ghana Bar Association no muni kuruma na unanimous FC asem ebaye they were quick to organize press conference to condemn it, criticizing Ghanaians, criticizing His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say you won for any day emfa Ghana mra na and now Afenyo Mark is aware a member of the Ghana Bar Association, a senior member. Abba Bonting, Abba single out a judge. Abba bastardizing a dinner term. Look, it is not my making, and I never said anywhere say under Akufo-Addo. The way the legal system and the judiciary was compromised, it was posing significant security threat to this nation. One minister in charge of national security. Kandapa and Abekai.
Read the story very well.
Kandapa and Abekai, when you continue on that trajectory, it poses significant what? Threat to the nation. Enti obisu kase dia mu ya na enya. Kandapa kwa kan na enya so party MPP no. But Okamomo said, it is a recipe of opposition and they find themselves. And then they see. Why is that? Look, sometimes I blame my own political party on some of these issues. Because Nakambra Afenyo Markins, it's me, police officer in law, protecting them for them to have free, demonstration. Born in this war. As I'm not saying, Ayonko, oh, I am madam for. Oh, our friend, honorable Felix Ofosuku Achi, our friend say, Nanso Nankamena me ya, and by this time I just can't understand the reason why up till now, Afenyo Markin has slapped a police officer. The matter was brought up, and up to today, we've not heard anything. Are other people above the law that we are all under? This is the question I'm asking. Police, the last time I saw an interview he conducted, and he was saying that up to now, justice has not been served him. Why? Because Afenyo Markins are well connected both in the NDC and in the MPP, so he's untouchable. So sometimes new maybe a SCC so the relationship saying in PMO it is a promotion of that same misconduct to continue because Afenyo Mark is both police in Nasum and therefore assassin was serious and I'm sure it would have been a deterrent for him to know that he's not above the laws of this country. All right. But look at how he's conducting himself. And the Ghana Bar Association, they should understand that the reputation of the association has been so dented. During the case of Araba Tukono, who said they had a division. Others came out to say the position the Ghana Bar Association brought is not a unanimous position. They did not agree on it, and they isolated themselves and issued a different statement. Why is Ghana Bar Association joking with their integrity? How are they joking their integrity? Why would you come with a statement saying the president during the removal of the former Chief Justice was lawful and no constitutional clause has been breached? That was the first statement. Second statement, you came and you are questioning the authority of the president, and it raised a lot of issues. That was when Ghanaians realized that politics that plays in the Ghana Bar Association is too much. Why would they? They were always proactive.
But how can you also say that now isolated that of Ni Usa Mills? Because Ni Usa, it was a similar incident. Ni Usa went for a radio interview.
Good.
And a kind of stance of a year Chachuchikata.
Good.
On that time, GMPC.
Yeah, sure.
Case,
Yeah.
So Giosa wasn't sacked.
He was what?
He wasn't sacked.
He was forced to resign by the Ghana Bar Association.
That's the
Is that not sacked?
He was no.
He was forced to resign.
He was resigned.
My brother.
Omar, you are stating the fact. You didn't know person.
Nkwantabisa. Na BBAC, BB Ankoye, no management. I can say why resign here.
Resignation is different from sack. So let's see. What state you are? The other day I said very good. Why can I say come? Based on what you said, Adam may can't be out so. Okay. I didn't need you be. So the truth of the matter is, as you rightly said,
yes.
He resigned.
They forced him to resign.
Yes, because it was in public domain. Say, okay, the bar came out to say, the position was entrenched, and the position was not that of the bar.
Good.
And decided he should resign.
Yes.
And if you say he was forced to resign, I agree with you.
Exactly. So,
but he wasn't sacked. So let's put that in context.
To resign by the Ghana Bar Association.
And now, he resigned. I think September 2008.
Afenyo Mark is the only lawyer and the only MPP person who me panel judges on the same day edging result by 12 p.m. And then that one there was no problem with that.
Panel on to me and panel.
He empaneled it.
No, the Chief Justice.
Where was the Ghana Bar Association when Attorney General under President Akufo-Addo was coaching witness with evidences available? What did he say?
It's wrong for you to say. It's now I won't say it's wrong. It's unfair for you to say an individual empaneled judges.
But it was true. It's happening in this state.
No.
See, what you like? Nana Nkwantabisa.
No. That is how you see it. But see, whether we have that idea and say he influenced it, no cry. That is a different thing.
So,
but you can never empanel judge. Is the prerogative right of the Chief Justice,
and that is why I'm telling you, Afenyo Marcus was so pampered and powerful under Akufo-Addo that he could do that. And nothing about mystery, about miraculous in the history of this country, So he should understand. Where was he? Where was he?
This one.
Where was he when Attorney General and Minister of Justice descended low to the level of Minister of Injustice to be quoting witness against Atofo? They were all in this country. All these things happen in your country, in this country. And then Afenyo Marcus the issue for court now. He comes out to bastardize the court. But when the court, the same court, that was what Panda issue. When the court ruled
recently, I think, sir. Omuya Abronya first one was it Babamando Abronya? He came out to say,
but the issue I'm saying is that Oko Panda case, he started attacking them, bastardizing the court. That I said they are not serving justice. But after the verdict, then shamelessly he came out and was saying that for this one they've done well. What impression are we creating? Sometimes the premature ejaculation by Afenyo Marcus is too much.
Medase, thank you. Mr. Dankwa, come in now and call the next one.
You're sure so NDC for this one on one about my friend in the name of NDC and I say on my
NDC.
So no buying no back NDC as no back.
What's away?
Maybe they make a
Dankwa, what's away, you know?
My main cancer. Look, Nkwanta, a former member of parliament, a former vice president, caretaker president, and the president, John Dramani Mahama, Senasemako court, when the BIM, he described the entire judiciary as unanimous FC, 7-0 FC. That's what he said. Who has been the commander-in-chief of this country before? Do you remember Kevin Taylor? Kevin Taylor insulted judges, catch him, so one way and Kwasia for Jimmy for. But when Kevin Taylor came to this country, in Kwanta William said, if you was a vice president of the Republic of Ghana, they may Kevin Taylor that.
And the
police force are born who buy and then court and man court in
Baghdad. Police for born who buy it's your right. You can request for that.
See, Kamama president and the man who say, Sir Judge, you know, I can ask a nuclear trodo. So you end this in Yampa. Look, this is joyonline.com, dating 3rd September 2023. Akufo-Addo has packed the court with MPP inclined judges. We must balance it, Mahama to NDC lawyers. Entine says our court back on identical circuit court 9. And they don't do a same to me in the court reminder. And no children professor judging NDC judge and pay. Many of your markets here. It's a saying.
NDC judge said, now judges in any party.
No, but NDC has never liked judges in this country. To the point that they killed them. No, NDC as if for not abu NDC for now abu can you before abu can be the one for you before so NDC for as if one NDC for package for them. The infamous, there are so many ways of killing the cat to threaten the judges because NDC somebody has some kokotomu to the bem when you Rashid Jango computer or describing the Chief Justice of this country as the women's organizer of the MPP. That was true. Was he jailed? Then it is true today. The judges that you are talking about is also NDC members.
But that's
it.
Sam George at Park. Omar. No, no, Sam George at Park. The banter between him and then Abnon saying, and now the comment from Sam George. People are saying, though he had the right to express his displeasure, no, but unfortunately, sometimes the conduct of him, should be checked. And then this one, what Yehwe Bakone say? Sam George says, Honorable Abner say Asari was being unruly, sitting at where she was. People are saying Sam George was arrogant and rude. His gestures and how he spoke. The banter at park.
Nana Nkwantabisa me that say. Let say we have a problem as a society. Sometimes, often people mistake confidence with arrogance and pride. There are people who are very calm, very introvert, but very arrogant. And there are people who are extrovert, but very respectful and has no connection with pride and arrogance.
That is true.
Yeah, you know him say Sam George. That has been his nature. That is how Sam George grew up. That is the man he is. We know how he talks.
And where do we check the excesses?
The excesses is it depends. It depends on obia. Say the nipa no person oyede ohun ade ne fa. Sebio Mami a wote sa committee we so. Yes, start here. Mami no has taken the committee as an avenue to bully people. That is what she's been doing. Do you remember the last time when the Honorable Ade Akye how she treated him? He is equally a member of parliament like you. You are not better than him. You are not. But then if the man is raising concerns, asking questions that need to be propped for national interest, and you look, young man, it was so disrespectful. She feel that woman thinks that committee is an avenue for her to impress their bloggers and social media commentators that she's been able to catch someone. That is the posture that woman has kept. Because if you ask me a question, Ade Akye Abia, you give me that opportunity to respond for the people who are listening to be able to see wisdom or strike dichotomy between what is being questioned and what the answers are. But then so busa me question na me be yimanwa. Also sometimes kwa o kasa na interject wa. Asama o kan wa ya the sequence of the way I was o person shisha won sem no. Na adane. You get disrupted. And that is not fair. Nipa ba na oba betutu na no.
But it's not also fair. Says is here many way. I comes in once a while. I told me not because said they are okay, but sometimes I want you to echo what you are saying
exactly
for people to know. Say when our kind, and these are dynamics in when it comes to interviewing
well
all
understood.
Those things.
That woman is not the only woman on that committee. Even the chairman of the committee is very, very accommodating, giving opportunities for questions to be answered. Where he needs to get involved, he gets involved. But the way the woman here, oh yes, say Sam George, you're tough. Oba, look, she should know. Even their demigod, Afenyomakin, tried to do that on Sam George. And at the end of the day, Sam George bullied him. And he was so embarrassing and became a mockery on social media.
Because Sam George is or a tough knack for you to.
He's a tough seat. It's true.
He's all with that mentality, no. And
you're a student too. Before I make call for an interview, no, me boa me home.
Of course.
Me boa me home, papa. And one of the things I uko interview when to me and yeah, why I interview won't mean this say if you don't psych yourself to be ready for any adversity that confronts you, you will fail. And you know, sir, Oba now you are treated nicely and then in a very welcoming manner. You keep it as such. But say nipani push you, the more nipani push you, no, the person who is doing the interview has to dictate your pace. Sam George was very calm, let's be honest. He was very calm until the woman decided to be interjecting, not to allow him to make sense for Ghanaians to listen.
And that is meaning baby say let me flow. Flow say we use
opening. Asemi aye kan.
What
busa me question.
Who say let me flow.
What busa no question. Obusa no question wo yi ano Ghana futi. Omo awose omutie no omu asem no mokre no. Omutie. You were raising sentiment and the Ghana for and the network in now Kufa is and network in
that's why Ghanaians come and do their job.
So right? If you are doing the job,
also couldn't do it. In those Sam George, I'll question at that time. Only there's Sam George here.
I know.
Sometimes I'm not feeling it dread.
I know. And as I say also, Adia what they buy so by the year no, they've done a lot of intervention, give him the opportunity for him to explain to us so that if he tells us my ABCD say na Adia no ever take effect, then we can listen. But you are not even allowing him to tell us what he has done. And at the end of the day, when they gave him the opportunity to tell us what he had done within the span of the period that he has been the minister, yeah, we say why are there? Because the number of intervention, I was a telcos near MTN, Telecel. Why are you comparing to the 8 years of your administration? So the way the woman conduct herself on that committee is very bad.
They are yet to
say asem na work and say watch it. One of the things I me pen say o me wo de me car. The me pen is obehye me da o. I don't care about anything. What they share me da.
Anti dana wo shem these MNOs no. Sometimes they disappoint. You know obusa say exactly how Chichem. And what was the big deal about this? Well, Sam George is intelligent. You can't take it from him. How he expresses the sentiment or the depends on the way and manner he was said your kind yet and how he grew up. But sometimes you temper you temper respect with your egos, and that will be beautiful. What we wanted to listen.
Upbringing, individual differences set in everything. A black one omia afenyo mark is looking to say baby, but that is his training and that is his approach, and it worked perfectly for him.
That is true.
The late Omanebo Amakoye, he's like water, calm and collective. What the nyansa any ahobra say Emma afenyo mark is looking to say baby. You get my point. But you can't get everybody to behave the same way.
Right.
And that woman should understand.
It wasn't arrogance, it was confidence.
It wasn't arrogance. He was defending his position and he showed her that look, she can't bully me, and I'm very happy. When Edem Agbana stood tall against her bully, was he not praised by Ghanaians? Now social media or bloggers now for say
Edem was actually
very intelligent, but this woman was trying to stop him. Obeka say a young man.
That was my brother. Sam George, Abno say sorry.
I Ngwanda nti se wo pa wuti wesisi e de Abna ene Sam George e gina simpi so a wana abeka so mu ade.
Musa means I said
the judges are there. The judges are there.
Abna so one excesses pay.
I say
me wo video bi ana Abna ete side ho. And the chica Abna puti ya. Me wo no so.
But tie. Go the Abna and Sam George e gina simpi so. Obi am say Sam George mu ade. Sam George temperament. Sam George is not just an insultive, disrespectful person.
He's also abusive.
No, he is very, very abusive. Very, very abusive. Zunim said he described Dr. Bawumia as religious prostitute in this country. He also described the sitting president Akufo-Addo as over-pampered, spoiled kid. Sam George. That Sam George boy. That small boy. Describing the president Akufo-Addo, and it's true. Yes. Then John Mahama is also like that, over-pampered, spoiled child. That is why he gave him that ministerial appointment. That guy Omushi say ya titi umuram say titi ufu to mo dey say me say I'm saying no say oka cham say I bring in am say titi umuram say titi please say titi umuram say titi ufie baby titi utinteru kwa so obuade.
This is on down kwa.
Oh but I'm just asking men ka say akotiti ni umuram, but I'm saying say titi umuram because some Uti Hano Harris said, you know, everybody's upbringing is different. So, but I'm saying,
how should I say?
But I'm saying, and that has been his style. What did you be at him? Was he not the person who catch said, oh, my John Dramani Mahama will never rest until he signed the LGBTQ plus. Has he signed it? Has he? And you know the secretary said only DST before Koye meeting. For people some because so much someone or you down woman what happened to it? He's very arrogant, very, very disrespectful. Nakoka na mintia. What back committee in him? You see your networking yet. Mumu see Abia yet on and yet into the Ghana for Pamoye. What about Betina Kunyaso? Now you busan who asema now buafu. Now to try Yampia to Papa. Yeah, listen to what he said. I want to quote what Sam George said. Abna is a friend. Maybe that is why our exchanges were heated. We do this in our regular conversations, but the fact that we are friends does not negate the fact that the work has to be done.
Yeah.
I know my colleagues are returning the favor for what I did for new patriotic party ministers when I was a member of PAC. But I am a tough nut to crack. The next time I come, I will fire them. No hard feelings, no bad blood. I'm going to join for lunch, he said. So somebody had this mindset. So he is coming to fire, not necessarily want to answer the question that are going to be put before him, and you are happy. So I'm saying, see a problem na kase will be muadia. Ghana hangina we obia we need to see what Sam George and the kind.
All right, Benji from Infancy. No one is intimidating anyone in this country. We are all in democracy, so everyone has right to share his or her opinion. So because of freedom of speech, if you are doing something wrong against the law, we should allow you. Never. Where did you hear such things? Because of their negative mindset that they are saying they are intimidated. No one is above the law. If you do good, nobody will be harassing you. If you do bad, you will be high to MC Achumanwa Biejasa Tokumkom. Okay, I have quite a few here. If I may ask, which of these two do we need now as a country? Do we need now as a country? Agenda 111 project or the 24-hour economy market, even the Makola, Abogloshi and Nima markets in Accra cannot operate viably for 24 hours. We are not setting our priorities right. The government should stop the sword cutting and the construction of the new 24-hour market and channel that energy into the completion of hospital, which will in turn create and formalize economic development in the districts. Greetings to Asanteman Koka, JFK, Dana B, and Mr. Usu Bempa, the Inshaeso constituency chairman hopeful. Oyibo way free teacher Kujo Tepe Susu. Now Oyibo Boateng writes, member MPP patrons, no amount of intimidation and detention will stop MPP members from criticizing the government. A responsible opposition is to hold government accountable. Hi to Chairman Odino Kwakwapia Kuka, Honorable Amwa Wuku Mike, Ashanti Regional MPP Secretary Hofo, and Shirley Che Tiwa MP Achumanwa Bieja South, or Ibona Diwe Baye. Teacher Constitution, we are more see incoming Fija Secretary East MPP Communications Officer. Why is the NDC still arresting opposition members and justifying it by saying the NPP did it too when the MPP is no longer governing? Meanwhile, they respond to complaints about the cost of living by claiming inflation and the city have improved. Even as hardship continues. Greetings to Dr. Baumia, JFK, Nana B, and lawyer Bonsu Chiche. Okay, baby, what do you do? What do you do? Sir, and then only birthdays on. I know only birthdays. Mami fa call back me. You be 0548 931 931 0551 931 931. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nkwantabisa.
Yes, my boss. The sack himself, Mami Tio.
Yes. Mami Chia MPP Nenram, Nchia Ebenoko, La Santima Kuka. Na Nchia Chama Usuban Ponji Azumchia Nona, Laya Kansibosu PP. Na Kaka Professor Mekanese. Yenti, Professor Jomaman, Nabai, what you say? Gina, and so super Mana, President Mama 2 position, which has no routine for Kafa judges or Niade. Now to call no moon some cats and another down for them put the Kumene. Moyam say, we could catch a little cat out of the channel. You should somehow down by your chimney Dankuba. Young one then near Oko night. Could nine let's have them to a dear show. Yeah, it will call Baba Mandus here. Didn't Coco tray, my judge to suit a woman rear a tray my judge for Baba and Baba Roma did Baba Mandu. Again, I don't know. Yeah, you know the best of what you and you are saying, oh, look at Chile, a cuckoo, upon if you come home, yes, a flower, more idea, Gman into Mecano, Chioka, na the cash we need there na take 1 million to say na 12 million no class so kwa one to e bro na so o to ga na bro na manage in school no yeah no club group China no e no na China for mo pe dey free no e no dia na mo ni se na se for me group ya e ni na adwuma yen na we ko die
Sak ba me na say thank you Sak me amini pa Sak thank you na Barbara birthdays kakra o mo ma me twam free mu ntem happy birthday to Mrs. Evelyn Day. I wish you all the best in this new chapter. May the heavens be open to her. From Pastor George O. Ansa. So Mrs. Evelyn, Mrs. Pastor George say nyame enshaw omo huban na onkraw wakuma so ade nyame enyama. Now happy birthday to Mr. Murphy Akwesibwating of a class campaign manager and also the campaign manager for Abek B electoral area from Ofakle. Okay, Ofakle. And then Mr. Murphy, Mr. Murphy, I'm a happy birthday. Buahin. Okay, Mr. Buahin. Mr. Murphy Buahin. Murphy Buahin. Oh, Chama, happy birthday. You say I'm in Shamau. You say I'm so for Fradumu Quadumu. Yeah, I also my happy birthday. Of a close my happy birthday, pa. And happy birthday. Happy birthday to Marita from your friend Faustina Amua. Marita, today is your birthday, beautiful and happy birthday. May you continue to glow as you grow. Enjoy this wonderful moment, beautiful one. Happy birthday. And a happy birthday also Enkoma Richard AJ Cranting oil reporter who went to me Emma went to me or Western North region we free Abake boy Juma Cranting cause one boy Juma Madagana. We love you Abake so do my happy birthday Senya Misha any mobro hu Emma the happy birthday odia. And happy birthday to my brother Kwame Bimpe of Central SDA Church, Asante Aguna from Ketche Obi, and the entire Central SDA Senior Youth. Sir, so my happy birthday, Mr. Bimpe. Say Adom ni mo brohu ni shane kwa tinting amount. And I would day yami from Fradumu and Quadum. And the last one, but not the least, happy birthday to Rita Davis, CEO of Nash Beauty Parlor, inside Tadi, Pulse Cortes, with Roots, Root, CEO of Ima Root Collection, inside Tadi, and it's from CEO to CEO. Rita, happy birthday to you. Enjoy this amazing time and moment. Nyamisha Bibia
Nkwantana medamase for the birthday wishes now for your mom and that of my daughter Nana
ya chiane pa
mama na neje
Nana next time no offer for this cabe count okay Nyamisha Bibia sports for today no maso yen